My beloved child, today I want to tell you something very clearly. Your family is in my hands. What you are unable to see, what you are afraid of, what you have been silently enduring within, I know all of it. Today, yes, today, I am building a wall of my protection around your home. Today, I declare, no darkness, no crisis, no attack, no fear will be able to touch your family. Listen to my voice. I am sealing the door of your home with my name. From today, this house is mine, and where I am, no enemy can stand. My child, today, this morning, this day, this moment, I have come to remind you that your family is not yours, it is mine. I myself laid the foundation of your home. I myself chose, united, protected, and sustained your family. Many times you wondered, God, who will take care of my home? Who will protect us from evil? Who will be a shield over my children? And today, I have come to give you a direct answer. Me. Yes, I myself, your Jesus, will guard your home, my child. In those nights when you stayed awake staring at the walls, wondering what unseen problems might fall upon your home, I was watching you. When you silently worried about your family, when you feared for your children, when you trembled because of the uncertainties of the future, I held every tear, every concern, every fear in my hands. You think you are the one protecting your family, but my child, without my shield, you would not be able to stand even for a moment. Today, I give you the kind of protection that humans cannot give, the world cannot give, situations cannot give, and no enemy can take away. Yes, my word says, I will be a wall of fire around them. And today this promise is being fulfilled over your home. From today, whoever enters your home, or even attempts to approach it, will first have to pass through my light. No evil power will be allowed to even reach the boundary of your home. My child, your home is no longer an ordinary home. It is a divine fortress, a holy place, a protected stronghold, where my presence dwells. I know that for many days, restlessness has been circling your home, unspoken tensions, unknown fears, financial pressure, physical struggle, and mental burdens. But listen, in this very moment, I am blowing the wind of my peace over your home. This peace is not the kind the world gives. This is the peace that destroys fear, melts anxiety, calms storms, and restores broken hearts. Today, over your home, my command of peace is activated. Do not fear. Do not be dismayed. I am with you, my child. Today, I see your family standing before you, your spouse, your children, your parents, your siblings, every member of your home, and with my own hand, I am placing my seal of protection over each one of them. No sickness can bring them down. No evil plan can touch them. No accident can bind them. No poisonous voice can shake them. No evil eye can rest upon them. No negative force can break them. Because I say, they are mine. Those corners where fear was hiding, those places where stress had settled, those rooms where arguments echoed, those spaces where negativity hovered, today I am washing your entire home with my light. I am permanently removing the darkness. I am calming the storms. I am ending the battles. I am restoring broken relationships. I am reviving love. I am increasing understanding. I am strengthening the roots of unity. Today, where there was conflict, there will be blessing. Where voices once rose in anger, love will echo. Where there was tension, peace will dwell. My child, The tears you shed for your family, not one of them was wasted. I caught them as soon as they fell, in exchange for your night tears. Today I give you this promise. Your home will be filled with laughter. Your family will rise. Your children will flourish. Your home will prosper. My child, you did not cry alone. Each time, I cried with you. But now no more tears. Now it is time to see victory. Today, I declare over your home. This home is not a house of poverty, it's a house of abundance. This home is not a house of fear, it's a house of faith. This home is not a house of division, it's a house of unity. This home is not a house of stress, it's a house of peace. This home is not a house of pain, it's a house of healing. This home is not a house of darkness, it's a house of light. This home is now my home, and where I dwell, lack cannot remain. Brokenness cannot remain. Failure cannot remain. Curses cannot remain. Your fear was this: what will happen to my children? And today I say, my plan for your children is great, pure, holy, and bright. They will be the head, not the tail. They will rise, not fall. They will be blessings, not burdens. They will shine, they will not be lost. And the future of your family, the one you were afraid of, is now safe in my hands. The power of my blood, which defeated death, destroyed sickness, shattered sorrow, and broke the chains of hell, is now upon your walls, your doors, your windows, your rooms, and every member of your family. This protection the world cannot give you. This protection can never be taken from you. My child, from today, your home is safe. Your family is safe. Your future is safe. Your children are safe. Your marriage is safe. Your sleep is safe. From today onward, I myself am the shield of your home. Nothing can reach your family without my permission. I stretch my hands over you, and I command, this home is sealed in my name. Darkness has no authority here. This home is protected in my presence. Worry no more. I am here, my child. Hear this in your spirit today. Your home is safe, because I myself am the wall around your home. Amen.